Buying Hgh, a primer on obtaining a prescription for bioidentical human growth hormone. Human growth hormone may seem like it's difficult to get a prescription for, but it's really not all that hard. The most important thing to know about getting human growth hormone is that you can only get it if you have a legitimate medical need for Hgh replacement. For adults, this means that you are suffering from a condition known as human growth hormone deficiency. Hgh deficiency generally has two causes among adults. Somatopause is an age-related form of growth hormone deficiency caused by a reduction in the efficiency of natural endogenous growth hormone production by the pituitary gland over time. Sudden onset Hgh deficiency is generally caused by surgery, injury, or any other condition which can inhibit the ability of the pituitary gland to properly produce human growth hormone. Somatopause is the most common cause of Hgh deficiency among aging men and women, and a bioidentical Hgh prescription can help you to resolve your hormone condition and improve your health and vitality. How to buy Hgh. In order to buy human growth hormone legally, you have to go through an intermediary, like the physicians at the Conscious Evolution Institute. If you don't have an Hgh prescription, you can't legally buy Hgh. Your doctor will give you an examination and blood tests in order to assess your health needs, and if analysis shows that you need human growth hormone, you will receive a prescription to fit your needs as a patient. Avoid Hgh scans. You may be tempted to seek out illegal Hgh or supplements that boast the ability to improve growth hormone levels naturally, but it is important to realize that going this route can be very dangerous and can even get you put in jail. Taking human growth hormone without a prescription can result in heavy fines and even jail time for both you and the person from which you obtained the illicit human growth hormone. Furthermore, there is no guarantee that the growth hormone that you have obtained is effective, for a number of reasons. Black market dealers often cut their drugs to increase profit margins, even if this will reduce the effectiveness of your human growth hormone. Hgh must be handled carefully, and if not handled in such a way, it can lead the hormone medication to become inert. Black market Hgh is often created and reconstituted in homes, garages, and other shady locations, which can lead your hormone supply to become tainted. Human growth hormone supplements are legal, but this doesn't make them any more effective for you. These supplements generally contain amino acids which are purported to stimulate natural human growth hormone release, but there is minimal evidence to suggest that this is the case. Also, due to minimally stringent regulation of the supplement industry, there is little guarantee that the product that you intend to buy is actually the product that you receive, aside from your trust in the brand name. The process of buying Hgh. If you feel that your current health and wellness issues are the result of human growth hormone deficiency, then we encourage you to reach out to a hormone clinic that can help you diagnose and treat your underlying medical conditions. If you are interested in working with the Conscious Evolution Institute, we make things easy because we have streamlined growth hormone therapy diagnosis and treatment in order to minimize hassle and enhance the value of the HRT products that we provide. Contact us to set up an appointment. We have two easy ways to help you establish contact with our talented hormone doctors. We have a form that you can fill out, which will provide us with some important personal information, and one of our hormone specialists can call you at the time convenient for you. Second, we have a phone number at the top of every page of our website that you can use to contact us during normal business hours. Fill out important forms prior to appointment. Before we set you up with an affiliate physician in your area, we will request that you fill out two forms, a quality of life form and a medical form. The quality of life form gives us an idea of how you perceive your current wellness. These are all questions related to your desire and ability to live your everyday life. The medical form simply gives us an idea of your current health state and asks about medical conditions and current medical treatments that our hormone doctors need to know about before they make any decisions regarding your eligibility for Hgh therapy. Hormone replacement therapy medical exam. After we have established contact and gotten your two important forms, we will arrange for an appointment with a medical professional in your area that will help us by gathering important medical data which can only be obtained in person. We have affiliates all throughout the United States that will meet you on our behalf. There are two important aspects to this appointment. First, you will undergo a medical physical in order for us to have proof of your current health situation and various important vitals. Second, our affiliate will take a blood sample that we will examine in order to get to the root of your health situation and determine whether you can benefit from bioidentical HGH therapy or any other form of hormone restoration, such as testosterone therapy. Comprehensive Hormone Panel for Hormone Replacement Therapy Diagnosis. After we receive your blood sample, it will undergo thorough analysis for a wide variety of health conditions and issues, which can be related directly to your blood composition. This test is known as the Comprehensive Hormone Panel. This test is conducted with the support of LabCorp or another trusted company which engages in diagnostic testing. Various hormone levels will be checked, not only your human growth hormone levels, but also testosterone, thyroid, cortisol, etc. Other data such as your HDL and LDL cholesterol levels will be collected as well. This comprehensive hormone panel will tell us which strategy of comprehensive hormone therapy will work most effectively for you as a patient. Choosing a hormone replacement therapy program that's right for you. After our hormone clinic has received your test results and the results of your doctor's appointment, our licensed hormone specialist will contact you in order to discuss those results and use your input in order to build a regimen designed to maximally fit the needs of both your body and your budget. Though HGH therapy alone can provide great benefits, combining human growth hormone injections with a full regimen of diet, exercise, supplements, and other forms of hormone therapy can enhance your results. We do understand that most patients are on a budget and can work to accommodate your needs while combining efficacy and affordability through the development of a quality plan which fits your personal financial situation. Comprehensive hormone therapy, the key to the maximum effectiveness of hormone optimization. Recombinant HGH injections are just one aspect of the complete HRT regimen that we provide at the Conscious Evolution Institute. In combination with the daily HGH injections, we will also provide you with nutrition and exercise guidelines, which are designed to maximize the effectiveness of your HGH therapy treatment. Depending on your needs and your budget, you may also opt to undergo combination hormone replacement therapy. If you are simultaneously deficient in both testosterone and human growth hormone, for example, combining both forms of hormone therapy simultaneously will provide much better results than undergoing one or the other alone. The goal of synergistic hormone therapy is to aim for overall hormone optimization to enhance your health and wellness. Sermorelin acetate, cost-effective alternative to HGH hormone therapy. One option available to our patients is sermorelin therapy. For patients suffering with the effects of somatopause, sermorelin has been shown to have a similar rate of effectiveness as compared to real human growth hormone. Both treatments work by boosting the level of HGH in your bloodstream and your body, but do so via different mechanisms. HGH injections introduce exogenous human growth hormone to restore endogenous HGH levels to a more youthful normal. Sermorelin works by influencing your pituitary gland to produce more of its own human growth hormone by simulating the function of a naturally occurring hormone known as GHRH, also known as growth hormone releasing hormone. Under normal circumstances, GHRH is released by the hypothalamus and travels to the pituitary, stimulating the somatotropes which are directly responsible for the production of human growth hormone to activate. Somatopause is the direct result of a reduction in the secretion of GHRH by the pituitary, which causes the pituitary to produce less growth hormone. Sermorelin fills the gap in HGH secretion caused by reduced GHRH release, boosting endogenous growth hormone levels to a healthy level associated with a patient in his or her 20s.